Hold up.
I hope you're having a great day. Today I want to talk about something that we can use beyond medicine. I love this term beyond medicine. Beyond medicine doesn't mean we stop all of the medication that we're prescribed. Beyond medicine moves us into a mindset that what else exists beyond all of the allopathic medication that we have. Allopathy is good. It can save lives. It can help us get better. It can address the symptoms. It can give us a good quality life as well when we take it the right way, the right time, and honest medicine. I like that word, honest medicine. Okay, when the intention is to get better and the intention is not to harm. Beyond medicine makes us explore what else exists in this massive universe above allopathy that can help us to get better. Today I want to talk about vitamin M, which I call music therapy. For the longest time, medical science has been studying the effects of music on our overall health, and it's nothing short of spectacular. Music therapy, you can have consultants who help you through this, you can have people take you through how music therapy works and all of that stuff, but we're going to simplify today. You can start music therapy right now, okay, and it works for people. We're going to go over the conditions that it works for. Number one, music makes most of us happy. That's why we like to listen to music when we're stressed out, when we're walking, when we're in the car, because it makes you feel good. Remember we spoke yesterday about a neurotransmitter called serotonin? Good, when you have the right amount of serotonin, music can actually make you even feel better. So when we talk about music therapy, now you can go into the complicated part where music therapy programs are designed for you, for your specifications, whether you have an Alzheimer's or a Parkinson's or you're recovering from a surgery, or it can be as simple as listening to your favorite music is music therapy. Singing, okay, alone, in a group of people. That's why in religious groups where people sing together, people feel energized. The whole energy of that religious place or that spiritual place is enhanced because people are singing together. You're creating positive vibrations, frequencies are matching, rhythms are matching, and even some of them may not match, but the overall effect is a pure vibration that makes you feel so good. So singing to music, with music, listening to beats, meditating with music, or even playing an instrument. A lot of people say that, Luke, I can't meditate alone. Then you can have guided meditation with some music in the background, and all of that helps you. All of this is a form of music therapy. You have Tibetan bowls, you have singing bowls, you have bells, you have chimes, chanting. Have you ever chanted with a group of people, and have you felt how uplifting that vibration could be? So all of this is a form of music therapy. Now let's have a look at some of the conditions that it can help us with. Anxiety. Science is showing us every single day how music therapy helps us with anxiety. Now, it may not take away your problems, but it can definitely make you feel better. And the problem is when you're chronically anxious, two of your hormones, one is cortisol and adrenaline, that shoots up. And because that shoots up, testosterone falls or progesterone may fall and estrogen shoots up, leading to other complications that hormonal imbalance brings along with it. Don't forget that insulin and thyroxine are also hormones that get impacted with stress and anxiety. So yes, diabetes and thyroid problems are also related to chronic stress. So anything that can help us relax, anything that can help us to deeply relax, okay, besides sleep and rest, is great for our health at a physical level, at an emotional level, at a mental level, and even at a spiritual level. That's why you feel so good when you sing your hymns, or when you chant, or you all sing together in a religious place, like I said. So anxiety disorders, depression as well. Music therapy plays a huge role in depression. So you can try that as well, or you can go to, if you're afraid to do music therapy on your own, you can also refer to consultants and stuff. Post-traumatic stress disorders, this is something that plagues millions of people, and music plays a huge role over there. Dementia, Alzheimer's, this beautiful study on how people with Alzheimer's, the kind of music that you have to play for them is the music that they grew up with in their teenage years, in their college or their university years. And it's amazing how these studies on patients with Alzheimer's, they're able to actually go back and relate that music with the memories of that time. So even for us, it's great. So if you're in your 40s or your 50s, you sometimes you listen to the music that you heard when you were even a child or you were a teenager, because that connects you with different memories that are stored within your brain. And constantly jogging your memory, constantly having your neurons fire, the already wired neurons firing, is great for cognitive health, like we saw yesterday on yesterday's video. So playing music, the music that you heard your parents growing up with, sometimes that brings up childhood memories. So your music therapy, like I said, I think I did a video before, have playlists. You should have a playlist for your workout. You should have a playlist for morning in case you like meditating, like some flute music or om chants. You should have meditation when you're running, or meditation when you're, music when you're running or driving, or you're just peacefully ending your day. Maybe you can have a music playlist just before you sleep. It helps with autism as well. And a lot of people all over the world are realizing the importance of music therapy with children who are autistic, children who are taking time to reach their milestones, and even teenagers or young adults who still suffer from ADHD or autism or spectrum issues. Music therapy plays a huge role. Then behavioral and psychiatric disorders as well. Music plays a role over there as well. And so a lot of things, it's a vicious cycle. Sometimes when people are in depression or they're suffering from behavioral issues, nothing motivates them or inspires them. They don't want to watch TV. They don't want to listen to music. And that's why they got to be gently coached into listening to maybe one song, and then 2 songs, and then 3 songs, hoping that they feel a little bit better and a little bit better and a little bit better. And then they start embracing things like music therapy. It's great for people who are going through cancer as well, because when you're going through this condition, it comes with your own fears. And no matter what anyone tells you, you're the patient, you have all those fears. But music can reduce your cortisol levels. They can reduce your adrenaline levels, and in turn keep you calmer. When you're calmer, your immune system is stronger, and you need a strong immune system to fight every single condition. It lowers stress. It helps you with mood swings. So if you have mood swings, or you have a hormonal imbalance, PCOS, endometriosis problems, pre-menopause, post-menopause, during menopause, music plays a massive role. Science is also showing us how music therapy can lower your blood pressure. So if you suffer from high blood pressure, it can help you lower your blood pressure levels. It can help you lower inflammation in your heart, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. It helps with pain as well. There's this beautiful study showing how music therapy was put on patients who had just finished a spinal surgery where the pain was much, much higher. And within a week, the group that went through music therapy had significant decreases in pain. So it plays a huge role in pain management for several reasons. Again, reducing inflammation and also creating a distraction. When we don't have a distraction, we give significance to the pain that we feel in our body. And the more we give something significance, the more it grows, like a thought, like an emotion. You feed it more attention, it grows more and more. The same thing with pain. If you're constantly thinking about your pains, if you're constantly focusing on that one little pain that you have, it grows more and more. Of course, there are some pains that you cannot ignore because it's really paining. But music therapy can help you with that. And it improves your sleep, which is our magic drug that we all know works for us in such a beautiful way. So, winding down your day, listening to the right kind of music, and explore different musics. Maybe you grew up just liking hip hop, but it doesn't mean that you can't explore R&B, you can't explore maybe gentle rock or hard rock, or maybe psychedelic trance, or maybe classical music or flute music. The idea is the human brain, okay, it gets used to something. And the more you challenge your neurons by exposing it to new music is also great for your cognitive behavior and your brain health. So try different musics. You don't like it, don't listen to it. But try different musics. Try world music around the world. Have different playlists. If you're on Apple Music or Spotify or whatever it is, there's so much of music. So many categories of music from different countries around the world. Sometimes explore it. That's like a learning for your brain. The more you expose your brain to new things, the more neurons wire, the more neurons fire, the more memory cells you build in your brain. And this is the simplicity of life. This is the simplicity of beyond medicine. So I hope you can use music therapy. It could be as simple as taking 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes in a day at intervals to listen to your favorite music. You could start off with 1 song, maybe 2 songs. Maybe sometimes in the evening you want to put a playlist down, just sit down, relax, and listen to all your favorite songs. Sometimes you can do it with your friends. Sometimes you can do it on your own. It's up to you. It is therapy. It is beyond medicine. I hope you use it. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, breathe deep, and remember, you care is all about you.